Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to learn about how you can link your PDF in Google Docs. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. First and foremost, all you need to do is simply open a web browser of your preference and type in the URL www.docs.google.com. So once you type this URL in, you will end up in the official page of Google Docs. So all you need to do is select a project of your preference to work on. After that, you need to go in your drive and select the PDF file. Press on the three dot icon. From there, you can select the share button and then copy the link of your PDF. So once the link of PDF is selected, go in your Google Docs again and click on the right side of your mouse and then click on the insert link option. Now simply enter your link and press on the apply button. So once this is done, your PDF will get linked into your Google Docs. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.